What did we started in last session, please? Last session में क्या start किया था हमने? We have started with TDS written. Yes. Last session we started with TDS written. Okay.
And previously, already my skills, the job requires the practical knowledge of taxation, indirect taxation, have gained from
प्रॉपर ऑडिबल है सबको? गुड आफ्टरनून. Now friends, I'm showing you one invoice. आपको मैं एक invoice show कर रहा हूँ. You have to identify deductor, deductee, under which section TDS has to be deducted, at what rate has to be deducted, what should be the TDS amount, and when that TDS should be paid. Yes. डिडक्टर कौन है, डिडक्टी कौन है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करना है. कौन से सेक्शन में टीडीएस डिडक्ट होगा, दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. यस. एट व्हाट रेट टीडीएस हैज टू बी डिडक्टेड. यस. एट व्हाट रेट टीडीएस हैज टू बी डिडक्टेड. एंड yes friends, section under which TDS has to be deducted. So I think invoice it is in front of you friends. Invoice आपके सामने मैंने ओपन किया है. Have a look on it. Have a look on it, everyone. Invoice is in front of you. Have a look on it, friends. Who is a director here? What kind of services is going on? क्या सर्विस प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है? Yes. What kind of under section 194I? Why Shivam under section 194I? Is this a rent? Is this a rent? 194I is for rent. So is this a rent? Is this a rent? No, this is not a rent. है ना, ये रेंट नहीं है. यहाँ पे देखो, RMG Advisors has issued this invoice to this company BIUM and this is a professional charges. Yes, who is paying this professional charges? This company, BIUM. So we are BIUM. We are working for BIUM. We are paying professional charges. हम लोग professional charges क्या कर रहे हैं? Pay कर रहे हैं. And we are paying professional charges to whom? We are paying professional charges to whom, friends? किसको pay कर रहे हैं? We are paying professional charges to RMG advisors. Yes, friends. We are paying professional charges to RMG advisors. So, friends, under which section TDS we have to deduct it, friends? Under which section TDS has to be deducted? Professional fees pay कर रहे हो तो TDS कौन से section में आता है, friends? Tell me. Under which section we have to deduct TDS if we are paying professional fees? So, friends, if we are making a professional fees, if we are paying professional fees, so TDS we have to deduct basically under section called as, friends, under section called as 194, 194J. Yes, friends. Under section 194J. What is the threshold limit under section 194J, friends? If we are making payment of professional fees, so what is the threshold limit under section 194J? 194J में threshold limit कितना, friends? So 194J बोल रहा है, क्या बोलता है, friends? Try to understand. 194J says if you are making payment of any professional charges means, friends, professional payment, professional fees. यहाँ पे we are paying professional fees. So section 194J says if you are making payment of any professional fees and invoice amount is more than 30,000. अगर इनवाइस की वैल्यू कितनी, फ्रेंड्स, मोर देन 30,000 है तो टीडीएस हैज टू बी डिडक्टेड एट द रेट ऑफ 10%. टीडीएस डिडक्ट करना है और कितने रेट से डिडक्ट करना है, फ्रेंड? 10% से डिडक्ट करना है. तो फ्रेंड, अगर आप लॉयर को पेमेंट कर रहे हो, एडवोकेट को पेमेंट कर रहे हो, अकाउंटेंट को पेमेंट कर रहे हो, अकाउंटिंग सर्विस ले रहे हो, इंजीनियर को पेमेंट कर रहे हो, जिनसे हमने कौन सी सर्विस ली है? Accountant, lawyer, company secretary, CA, engineer, they are called as professionals. इनको क्या बोला जाता है? They are called as professional. So you are making payment to lawyer, advocate, company secretary, CA, engineers, accountant, CA firm for any professional services. इनसे कोई भी professional services हम लिया है. So while making payment to them, उनको पेमेंट करते हो टीडीएस हमें कौन सा सेक्शन में काटना पड़ेगा, फ्रेंड? Section will be 194J. Yes. So who will deduct TDS, friends, here in this question? Who will deduct the TDS in our question, friends? Who is liable to deduct TDS?
Sir, the professional, those professional who are charging fees.
Sorry.
The professional who are charging fees, like CAs or doctors.
So who is charging professional fees? RMG. RMG advisors, they are charging professional fees. Yes. So this professional fees is paid by whom? BIUM. This company pays professional fees. So BIUM Industries paid the professional fees. So they have to deduct TDS under section 194J. Yes, friends. They have to basically deduct the TDS under section 194J. Okay. Okay, what should be the TDS amount, friends? So rate of TDS under section 194J is how much? Rate of TDS under section 194J. Rate of TDS under section 194J is how much, friends? Please wait a minute. Yes, friends, correct. Yes, friends. So who here, friends, who will liable to deduct the TDS? Who will liable to deduct the TDS? The party who pays the professional fees. Paying this professional fees of 10,000 is paid by whom, friends? RMG advisors issued this invoice. So Beam Industries will pay 10,000 to RMG. So who will deduct the TDS? Beam Industries, they are deductor, friends. Beam Industries is a deductor. Is a deductor. BIM Industries Limited. Beam Industries Limited is a deductor. And who is a deductive, friends? Who is a deductive? Deductive will be RMG advisors. Who is a deductive, friends? RMG advisors. Private Limited is a deductive. RMG advisors. Private Limited is an deductive. Yes, friends. So deductor is Beam Industries and deductive is RMG. So while making payment of any professional fees, friends, while making payment of any professional fees, TDS has to be deducted under section 194G. So what is a professional fees? 10,000. What is a professional fees, friends? 10,000. Rate of TDS under section 194J. 194J, what is the rate of TDS? 10%. Rate of TDS under section 194J is how much? 10%. So 10% of 10,000, friends. 10% of 10,000. 10% of 10,000, friends, how much? 1,000. 1,000 TDS is to be deducted. कौन से month में deduct करना, friends? 1,000 TDS has to be deducted in which month? On the date of invoice. Invoice date is 31st May 22. Meaning, friends, 1,000 TDS we have to deduct in the month of May 22. 1,000 TDS has to be deducted in the month of, friends, May 22. TDS deducted in the month of May 22, friends. TDS deducted in the month of May 22 is to be paid by, क्या date पड़ा था? TDS deducted in the month of May 22 is to be paid by, yes, TDS deducted in the month of May 22. May में जो TDS काटा है कब पे करना है? Till May month TDS is to be paid in the next month. Yes, friends. May का TDS गवर्नमेंट को कब पे करना है? Next month. After May, what is the next month? June. Yes, so till 7th June we have to pay. Yes, friends. Till 7th June TDS has to be paid. So this TDS is to be paid by 7th of June 22. लास्ट टू लास्ट कब तक पे कर देना चाहिए फ्रेंड? डेट ऑफ पेमेंट शुड बी 7th June 22. अब मैं आपको इसका टीडीएस पे किया हुआ फ्रेंड चालान शो कर रहा हूँ. ये देखिए चालान दिख रहा है. टैन नंबर, whose टैन नंबर इट इज? इसका टैन नंबर है फ्रेंड्स. हु इज गोइंग टू मेक टीडीएस? बीआईएम इंडस्ट्रीज. टैन नंबर ऑफ बीआईएम. टीडीएस हाउ मच? 1000. टीडीएस हाउ मच? 1000. अंडर विच सेक्शन फ्रेंड्स? कौन सा सेक्शन में काटा टीडीएस? अंडर सेक्शन 194J. Company deductive, friends. Company deductive means 1000 TDS we have deducted for RMG advisors. Deductive RMG advisors is a private limited means company. And in the PAN number, friend, this is a PAN number, fourth alphabet. Double ADCM. Fourth alphabet in the PAN is C. C stands for company, friend. C stands for company. Tell me, C stands for company. That's why see your friends. Company directive. Under which section TDS we have to do it? 194J. कौन सा सेक्शन में TDS देते हैं? 194J. Financial year 20 to 23. Financial year May 22. Friends, financial year is May 22. That means assessment year 23-22. And friend, this is bank detail. Yes, sir. Tender date means payment date. Look at here, friend. Tender date means payment date. So we have to check also when the TDS is paid. So as per the due date, TDS should be paid up to 7th June. As per due date, friends, TDS should have been paid till 7th June. And he can see, I mean, friends, you can see the TDS is paid till 7th June. This is the bank detail, BSR code, tender date means friends, payment date, and the challan number. Yes. Now, after TDS payment, friends, after TDS payment, TDS return has to be filed. After TDS payment, friends, TDS return has to be filed. Who will file the TDS return, friends? Which form, which TDS form is to be used? TDS return file करने के friends, Yes, friends. So invoice हमने देख लिया friends. TDS return. So there are two forms for filing TDS return, friends. Form 24Q and 26Q. If the TDS is deducted from salary 24Q, if the TDS is deducted from other payment other than salary, then 26Q, friends. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करेंगे फ्रेंड? 26Q प्रोफेशनल फीस. Yes, what we are paying professional fees pay करें हम लोग. Since we are paying professional fees, so we have to use which form, friends? 26Q. Okay. So let's download 26Q, friends. I have already downloaded. I'll show you. And friends, see here. ये आपका क्या है? 26Q zip फॉर्म में है. Unzip कर लो. First unzip this form. Unzip means open, extract here. Same location पे. It will get extracted in same location. Same location पे क्या हो जाता है friends? ये आपका extract हो जाता है. Open it. TDS RView 5.2. Open it. Where is the TDS return form? यहाँ पे देखिए friends. 7954 की पे 7954 के भी. Yes, TDS RView 5.2. TDS RView 5.2. Okay. Form number 26 के. Click to open the file. Regular return. First time file करो friend. When you are filing your return for the first time, you have to select regular return. First time when you are filing your return, you have to select for regular return, right? If you're filing your return for the first time, select regular return. चलो, financial year friends. Financial year, कौन से financial year में we got the invoice? Invoice is May 22. May 22 means which financial year, friends? 22-23. Select a quarter. There are 4 quarter, friends. April, May, June, first quarter. Invoice, friends. We have invoice for the month of May, April, May, June, quarter 1. Yes. May means quarter 1, friends. TAN number. On the payment, on the TDS payment challan, you will find that this is called a friend challan. On the TDS payment challan, we will find the TDS return. I mean TAN number. On the TDS paid challan, we will find TAN number. So TAN number mention कर देते हैं friends. MUMB 08944F 08944F. Yes. Type of deductor, friends. Who is a deductor here? Who is a deductor here? Deductor कौन है friends? Pune. Beam Industries Limited is a company. There are two hints. Word limited is there. Another hint, refer the PAN number. Always refer the PAN number. Another hint, double A, B, C, fourth alphabet, friend, fourth alphabet C. C stands for company. C stands for company. Yes. PAN number. PAN number. Where is the PAN number? AC number contain PAN number, friends. Double A, B, C, P. Yes. State code. 27 is a state code. After state code, your PAN number will start. Double A B C D 11447 J. Yes. Company director type. We are company. Name of director. Name of director. We are director here. We have to specify our detail. Name of director. Count English director reference. EIU Ministries Limited. Dot, I will write it down. Branch division. No, we don't have any branch. NA. NA stands for, friends, not applicable. NA stands for, yes, friends, not applicable. Right? ना कोई ब्रांच नहीं है. Address number, friends. Address now. These star mark points or details fields are compulsory, friends. Address. On the invoice, you will find our address. On the invoice, you will find our address. Plot number 180. Street Vivandi Road, you can use. क्लोज कर देते हैं इसको। वंडी वाला को
से हम लोग नीचे जा रहे हैं, इधर कोई नहीं है।
ये वंडी वाला रोड एंड address of director, friends. District, state is Maharashtra. Name of premises. We use the same address. Will it continue name with the same address, location, Palghar, pin code of director 421303. Telephone number. Yes, friend, telephone number is a mandatory field. To specify the telephone number. When this is a company, so you can specify the telephone number or mobile number of the director. Because in case of company, the directors are the responsible persons. GST number of company, you can see here we have GST number 27 AABCB. 27 is a state code AABCB. 5 alphabet 1447J. 4 number. Again 1 alphabet. That is a PAN number. 27 AABCB 1447J. 1 ZS. 1 means, friends, 1 registration in Maharashtra. Z by default, as by default. No logic. Has address changed? Does the address of our company has changed? No. Particulars of person responsible for deduction of tax. It is a company. So person responsible for deduction of tax. Person responsible for deduction of tax will be. Yes, friends. Who will be person responsible for deduction of tax, friends? Person responsible will be the director of the company. Or director can assign this responsibility to their staff also. So particulars of person means, friends, the director. Now director is the owner, friends. In case of public or private company is the owner also, friends. Yes. So the address of company and the address of director, that's why, friends, it is the same. So if you want to specify the same address of particulars of person, so click here. Yes. Now say suppose, friends, I'm a accounts manager of this company. My boss has given this responsibility to me. Yes. My boss has given this responsibility to me. I'm working for BIU Industries as accounts manager, and I have been, staff management has given me this responsibility of TDS return filing. So name, PAN number, designation, I'm accounts manager. Then contact number. Has address changed since last written? No, friends. Has regular statement filed? Friends, has address changed since last written, meaning we are saying that the address of company has not changed. The address of company has not changed. Yes. Has regular statement filed? Yes, friend. TDS written, we have to file every quarter. TDS written, we have to file every quarter. So here we are filing TDS written for quarter 1 of 22-23. Just before this, just before this, we had filed the TDS return for Q4 of 21-22. This is friends, we are filing Q1. Yes, Q1 of 22-23. इसके पहले before this 22-23, before financial year 22-23, the previous financial year was 21-22. 21-22 last Q4. So here friends, we have to select yes, and friends, after filing TDS return, there is a receipt number, acknowledgement number is generated. Once the TDS return is filed, friends, once the TDS return is filed, a receipt number is generated. I'll tell you, I'll show you how, how that receipt number will look like. That receipt number we have to provide here. Yes, friends, that receipt number we have to provide here. But friends, as of now, I don't have the receipt number, so I'll select here no. I select here no, friends, because I don't have receipt number. Yes, save your file. Save your file. I'll save it in the desktop, on the desktop basically. On the desktop, I'll create one new folder. Give the name TDS return. TDS return today's date, and I will save in that folder. File has been saved successfully, friends. File has been saved successfully. File has been saved. Let us continue. Form detail is done. Now challan detail, friends. Challan detail, how many challan we have? There is only one deductee. So one challan is sufficient for payment of TDS for one deductee. Yes. So we have only one deductee. So let us continue. Let us continue with that. Add row. One challan, one row. Friends, there are some pink cells are there, some white cells are there. Not pink, gray. I'm sorry. Gray cells we cannot add it. Yes, gray cells we cannot. We will not able to write anything in the gray cells, friends. We will not be able to write anything in the gray cells, right? So in the white cell only we can update the things. TDS, how much TDS we have deducted? 1000. Surcharge, nothing. No education cess, no interest, nothing. BSR code. BSR code, friends, you will find on the invoice. Challan, basically, not invoice, challan. TDS payment challan. BSR code, TDS payment challan. 001134 TDS is paid. TDS is paid. When the TDS is paid, friends? 7th June 22. Challan number. Where is challan number? Challan number 34525. 34525. 34525. Mode of deposit through book adjustment. Friend, try to understand what is the meaning of. System is asking, have you really actually paid the TDS or you are just passing a bookish entry? And system is asking, have you actually paid the TDS to the government or you have just passed an accounting entry in the books that you have paid the TDS? No, friend, we have actually paid the TDS. We are not showing in the books that we have just paid the TDS, not a bookish entry. We have actually paid the TDS. We have TDS paid challan. We are not showing in the books just we have paid the TDS. No, it's not an just accounting entry. We have actually paid the TDS because we have a challan for that. Yes, friends. So that's why, friends. No interest, no interest. Minor head of challan. 200, friends, you have to select. If you have deducted TDS voluntarily and paid to the government, 200. If you got the invoice, not invoice, notice from the TDS department that you have to deduct TDS and pay, then friends, we have to select here. Then we have to select what? 400. Yes. So if you have deducted TDS voluntarily and paid to the government, 200. If you got the notice from the department and then you deducted the TDS, then 400. Yes. Okay. Okay, then friend. Then annexure 1 deductive detail, friends. Annexure 1 deductive detail. We have to specify the details of deductee from whose payment we have deducted the TDS. Yes, friends. We have to specify the deductee details from whose payment we have deducted the TDS. Yes. So let us specify the deductee detail also. Insert row, friends. How many deductive we have? RMG advisors. We have only one deductive. Okay. We have only one deductive, friends, right? Section under which TDS is deducted. We have deducted TDS under section 194JA. So look at here, friends. 194B, fees for professional services or royalty. Read properly. 194JB, fees for professional services or royalty at the rate of 10%. Yes, friends, 194J. Yes, 194J, and at the end you can see TDS rate is 10%. So we have deducted TDS under section 194J and the rate was 10%. Deductee reference number we don't have. PAN number of deductee. PAN number of deductee. PAN number of deductee, friends. RMG advisors PAN number. Deductee's PAN number AADCM. AADCM 6919L. 6919L. And name of deductee. RMG Advisors Private Limited. This is name of deductee is RMG Advisors Limited. Yes, basically, RMG Advisors, they are labor law consultant friends. What is the work of labor law consultant friends? Labor law consultant provide you services like how much PF you have to deduct, how much ESIC you have to deduct. Is labor law compliances related services they are providing to our company. So we have received basically labor law related services. Whatever staffs are working in our organization, the PF, ESIC related work of our employee is handled by RMG. That's why we are paying them 10,000 rupees as their professional fees. Yes. Okay. RMG advisors, private limited. Date of payment. When TDS is deducted on the date of payment, on the date of booking invoice. So invoice we have recorded in the books. We have to record this invoice in the books of accounts as on 31st May. And on the same day, we have to deduct TDS. What should be the entry friends? Professional fees is an expense. Professional fees is debit. TDS is a liability. Liability is credit. To TDS on professional fees. And 9,000 we have to pay after deduction of TDS to RMG. So that's why to RMG advisors. So entry will be in the books of friends. Entry will be in the books of BUM will be professional charges account debit 10,000. TDS on professional fees 1,000 to RMG advisors private limited 9,000. Yes. So date of payment or credit. When TDS we have to deduct on the date of booking invoice, that is 31st May 22. Amount paid. Professional fees amount is 10,000. TDS from 10,000 we have deducted TDS 1,000. Surcharge no. Yes, no. Date of deduction when we have to deduct the TDS on the date of booking the invoice. When we have to deduct the TDS friends on the date of booking the invoice, that is 31st May 22. A remark for lower deduction or no deduction. Friends, this is applicable. Lower deduction कब select करना है? When you not deducted TDS. Lower deduction कब select करना है friends? When you have not deducted the TDS at all. No deduction. Lower deduction we have when you have applied less rate than the section than the specified in section. जब आपने TDS कम rate से deduct किया friend, तो you have to select lower deduction. So अपने केस में ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. We have deducted TDS. So there is no question of no deduction. We have deducted at the rate of 10% as per section. So there is no question of lower deduction. Both are not applicable for us. Deductive code. Friends, RMG Advisors is a company. If it is a company, select one. If it is other than company, select two. Yes. Rate at which TDS is deducted 10%. 10%. Certificate number not. No. Then save it. Save it. Save it. Then friends, we have filled all the details. We have not filed, we have just filled the form. We have filled up the form, TDS return. We have just filled the form, friends. So three details we have filled, friend: form, challan, deducted detail, that is annexure 1. Form, challan, deducted detail, that is annexure 1. Once all these details are filled, friends, once this all these details are filled, the last step is, friends, the last step is we have to actually check, friends. We have to actually check whether TDS is actually, we have to check, friends, whether we have actually paid the TDS or not. I mean, friends, we have to verify whether this challan is original or not. We have to verify, friends, whether this challan is original or not. Yes. So where we can verify, friends? On the portal. On the GST, not GST portal, friends. It's teenNSTL.com. See here. 1 second, just sending you the link of this particular address, web address. Okay. Now again, friends, go to services, challan status inquiry. Challan status inquiry. We have TAN number of our company. We have TAN number of our company. That's why we are going to check as per TAN number. TAN best view. TAN number. Host TAN number. Host TAN number, friends. इसका TAN number बताना है. Our company's TAN number. You will find on the challan, TDS payment challan, MUMB. Yes, 08944F. TDS is paid. TDS is paid in the month of June 22. So friends, since this TDS is paid in the May, not May, June 22. June 22. I'm dating this. June 22. So select here May, I mean month June 22, June 22. So first date of May, June is first date, and last day of the June is 30th June 2022. Then enter the captcha code, friends. USPX. View challan detail. Friends, on 7th June, these are the different challans. Where is our challan number? Where is this challan, friends? Can you locate this particular challan here? Where is our challan of this 1000 in this list? Where is this our challan? Now, friends, look at here. Challan number here 34525. 34525. TDS on professional fees. Payment we have paid 34525. Challan number is paid by 7 June. So select here 34525. 34525 TDS amount is 1000. Yes, and 34525. This is TDS challan and amount is 1000. Okay. Challan. Amount matched. Amount matched depends. We have actually paid the TDS, that's the amount match. Click on download challan file. Click on download challan file. Where is challan file? Yes, here we have challan file. Control X, friends, Control X. Save it in your folder. Save it in your folder. Yes, TDS written here we have. Save it here. Save it here. Then now save it one more time. Keep saving your file. Last step, create file. Person responsible valid ID is not provided. Create file. Mobile number, person responsible mobile number. Yes. Okay. Generated till here. Okay. The remaining part, let's continue in the next week, friends. The remaining part, let us continue in the next week. Yes. Remaining part, let's continue in the next week. Remaining part हम next week में continue करते हैं, friends. Any doubt, friends? Any doubt, friends, in TDS written? No doubt. No issue, friends. So in the next week, we'll close this TDS topic and then we'll start with some new topic. Yes. Next week, we'll close this TDS topic. Some 10 minutes, 10, 15 minutes, our works are still pending. So next week, we'll close this first and then we'll continue with the next topic. Let us close for the day. Now I think we'll meet in the next. Yes. So friends, in that, please take care everyone. Have a great day.